We're in the dashboard section of LiveComm, and we're in the Manage Contacts area. We're going to go down to the second blue button, Manage Lists. This is where you can see all the lists that you have. Now, when you first get these phone numbers, it'll say new number 1, new phone number 2, new phone number 3. I think I have one in here. Let me show you. There it is. It'll show up like new number 7. I haven't assigned that one number. I've signed, 1 through 6, but I haven't assigned number 7. Now, let's say I have another product I want to advertise. In my case, I do houses, so I want to assign this phone number and name the list. So I'm just going to go here to Edit, and let's say I bought a house on 678 Main Street. So I'm going to change this to 678 Main Street and save it. And now we're at 678 Main Street. This is the phone number I use to advertise. I can set my recordings to tell everything about 67 Main Street. I can forward it to salespeople. I can do anything I want to. And then I can view all the contacts for 678 Main Street right here. Of course, I just assigned it, so there are no contacts yet that it's collected. And I can also search for particular phone numbers to see if they're in my list right here. So in the Manage Lists section, you can also create a new list and name it. So you go right here. You can, let's say you want to put an ad in Craigslist. Ad style number 2. So let's say I'm running several different kinds of ads in Craigslist. I want to track them. I put ad style number 2 Craigslist, and then I can pick the phone number I want to assign to it. And you pick a phone number. I don't want to pick one right here because it'll mess up my own setup here. But I pick what number and hit save, and we're done. So let me put this back. You can also put your phone numbers or your lists in the order you want. So if you don't like the order that they're in, you can reorder the list, and this is where you change the order, and you just put them in the order that you want right here, and it'll sort them in this order. That concludes Manage Lists.